Hi guys, just welcome back. So it's Inchi here, now going to start today's exercise. So today's main focus should be on your tire. So आप लोगों की बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है कि ये टायर आ तो आज हम इसी पे फोकस करेंगे। जो भी वर्कआउट करेंगे वो इस पे फोकस करके करेंगे। ओके, सो चलिए पहले वार्म अप करते हैं। नाउ जस्ट स्ट्रेच करेंगे। आपको पता है ना, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच करती हूँ ऐसे, क्योंकि इससे बहुत आराम मिलता है, बहुत रिलैक्स मिलता है। टोस टू हेड पूरा कंप्लीट स्ट्रेच होता है आपकी बॉडी में। सो जब भी मैं एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ सबसे पहले मैं इससे शुरुआत करती हूँ कि पहले जो है जो ब्लड फ्लो है वो आपकी बॉडी में टोस टू हेड कंप्लीटली बहुत अच्छे से हो जाना चाहिए। ओके, सो एज मच एज यू कैन स्ट्रेच विद दिस एक्सरसाइज। या नाउ जस्ट डाउन अगेन, इनहेल। सो जब प्रॉपर इनहेल करके आप इसको करते हो ना, यू जस्ट फील कि आपकी बॉडी कितनी अमेजिंग फील कर रही है। यस, एंड डाउन। ओके, सो नाउ जस्ट साइड स्ट्रेच। सो टुडेज मेन फोकस इज दिस एरिया। Yeah, nice. But at last you feel pain in this area, you feel little burn day after tomorrow whenever you do this exercise, and after that you will feel. So stretch करेंगे। So 5, little fast, 6, inhale, 7, very good, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Very good. Now just same position, open your hands, just touch your shoulder with one hand and tap your back with one hand. Okay, so just मैं रिवर्सो की एक्सरसाइज आपको दिखाती हूँ। ये हाथ यहाँ पे आएगा, आपका ऑपोजिट हाथ, सेम हैंड आपका बैक पे रहेगा। सो लाइक दिस। ओके, सो जस्ट आपको बॉडी भी ट्विस्ट करनी है साइड में। वेरी गुड। नाउ जस्ट ओपन योर हैंड्स, टर्न लिटिल बिट, थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाएंगे मैट पे। सो ये है, एंड देन कम बैक। सो दिस इज शाहरुख खान पोज। ना जस्ट लिटिल बिट टर्न डायगनल एंड देन कम। सो आपको हाथ अपने ज़्यादा ऐसे नहीं ट्विस्ट करने हैं, आपके हाथ जो है आपके शोल्डर लेवल पे हैं, एंड देन टर्न योर बॉडी बैक। सो अगेन इनहेल एंड देन अप, अगेन टर्न diagonal and then up. Okay, so two times more. Very good. Excellent. Now just open your leg, hold करेंगे, दोनों हाथ फोल्ड करेंगे, come down, come up and side twist. Okay, again front, down and up and other side. Okay, so just fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is very good exercise for your tummy, for your side bug. Yes, so as you can feel कि आपकी कौन कौन सी मसल्स इसमें यूज़ हो रही हैं। And one last. Very good. Okay, now rest, have water. So just start main part of exercise, just up, hands up and bend side, and then up, again down. So आप देख रहे होगे आपका यहाँ से पूरा इसमें स्ट्रेच हो रहा है, आपकी मसल्स इसमें स्ट्रेच हो रही है। and then again inhale and exhale. Okay, again inhale, body straight and then up, inhale and then up. Excellent. Now again inhale and up. So it's 7, 8, वेरी गुड। तो आप इसमें एक्सेल इनहेल बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना, जस्ट आपको इनहेल करना है, स्ट्रेच फील करना है, एंड देन एंड एक्सेल। तो इनहेल करते हुए नीचे जाना है, एंड एक्सेल करते हुए ऊपर आ जाना है। ओके, सो इट्स 13, 14, 15, वेरी गुड, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Okay, hands down. Now we are going to do same exercise जो भी हमने वार्म अप में किया था. Just hands lock, come forward, hand side. Okay, so it's 2, 3, 4, excellent. So now 20 done, 2 exercise. Now another one. So we are going to do side kick. In this, just your hand should be straight and just take one leg same side up. So it's 1, 2, 3, very good, 4. So you are just feeling that आपकी muscles यहाँ पे ऐसे use हो रही है. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, very good, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent. Now just change other side. So take one hand, one up, and then start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. Very good. So we have done 3 exercise. Yeah, so next one we are going to do, just open your feet, one hand up, and just do it 20 pulse. 2, 3. So every time just your breath should be out when you are going down. Very good. Now change. Just one hand on waist, one hand up, just shift back. 2, very good. 3, 4. So आपको अपने हाथ नीचे नहीं लेने, just up and down. Excellent. Okay, so we have done 4 exercise. Now just rest for 30 seconds and we will repeat all exercise one time more. Okay, so just rest. Okay, so we are going to again start another set. So just first exercise, just open your leg as much as your shoulder is wide and both hands up. Inhale, bend side as much as you can, feel side stretch and then up. Again inhale, inhale while you are going down, exhale and up. So other side, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, relax. Next one, just come on mat, open your leg and lock your hands. Just down, up, side. Very good. Down, up and the side. So just down, breath out, down, inhale and side. Again exhale, inhale, exhale. So आपको ब्रीदिंग का पूरा ध्यान रखना है. Very nice. So we have done 2 exercises. Now third one, just side kick. So just hands up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Excellent. Now other side, just hands up, 1, 20. Very good. Now we are going to do 10 pulse. Just open your leg and 1, 4, 20. Okay, now other side. Very good. So we have completed 2 sets. Now we are going to do another set of exercise. For that, just lie down on mat. Your hand should be on under your head, and your hand should be on elbow, leg straight, other hand just parallel to chest, so that आपकी बॉडी सपोर्ट में रहेगी, ज़्यादा मूव नहीं करेगी. ओके, नाउ जस्ट टेक योर वन लेग अप. 1 2 3. So just feel this stretch. 5 6 7 done. Okay, so it's 20 done. Now just take your one leg forward and just do 20 pulse. 2 3 4 5 6 7 20. Okay, now again come back. Now just one leg on 30 degree, just move it forward and back. So 2, just throw it back as much. And 20. Okay, just rest. We have done 3 exercises. Now just change position, come on this side. We are going to do all 3 exercises with other leg. So just come on elbow, hands parallel to chest, and just up and down. 1 2, very good. 3 4 5. सो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आपकी बॉडी ज़्यादा मूव नहीं कर रही है, आपके हिप्स आगे पीछे नहीं हो रहे हैं. एक्सीलेंट. And done. Okay, now just leg forward. 1 2 3 4 5 6 Excellent. Now back, forward and back. 1 2 relax. So we have done one set. Now another set, just change for that, come in same position. We are going to repeat one more set. So body straight, just check position, your hips straight, hands parallel to chest, and just 1 2 Very good. Excellent. Now forward and back. So I promise आपके बर्ड्स आपके साइड बर्न करेंगे इस एक्सरसाइज के बाद, अगर आप पूरा सेट कंप्लीट करते हो देन relax. Okay, again change position, come on other side, come on elbow and just do 1 2 3 4 5. Change. Relax. Now another one, move just forward and back your leg. Relax. Okay, so guys, we done all exercise for this area. आज लेग का कूल डाउन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है और बहुत अच्छे से करना ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज आपके पैरों में, आपके थाइज में बहुत पेन हो रहा होगा. सो चलिए कूल डाउन करते हैं आज अच्छे से. कम इन माउंटेन पोज. ओके, जस्ट फील स्ट्रेच, बोथ लेग स्ट्रेट, पुश योर हेड इनसाइड. Excellent. Very good. Now just come in Shashankasana, head on the floor. So I'm just turning my mat so that आप बहुत अच्छे से इसको देख सको. Okay. Very good. So just come again in Shashankasana. Very good. Again come in mountain pose. Take your one leg forward. Push your knees. Yes. Then just turn your feet down. Come in this position. Your leg in 90 degree. Yes. And other leg just straight. Feet on the floor. Just put your one hand on knee, one hand on feet, look up. Yes, very good. Just feel this stretch, feel stretch in your leg, in your thighs, and then come in elbow position. Yes, again put pressure on your thighs, on your hips. Excellent. And then just head on the floor. Completely hands straight, just free your shoulder. Yes, very nice, very good. I must say कि आप इस कूल डाउन को करने के बाद आपने जो अभी एक्सरसाइज की है वो पेन आप भूल जाओगे. बहुत अच्छा कूल डाउन है ये. ओके, सो जस्ट अगेन लेग स्ट्रेट, टर्न योर टोज, कम अगेन इन माउंटेन पोज. Again come in Shashankasana, head on the floor. Catch your breath. Again come in mountain position and take another leg out. Okay, Very good. Just push your knees forward. Now just turn your feet. Very good. Feet flat. Just look up. Feel stretch in your back and your neck. Excellent. And then come forward. Come on elbow. Very good. Just hands forward, head on the floor. Very good. So I hope आपका जो पेन था, एक्सरसाइज पेन था, वो रिलीज हो गया होगा. Now just again come in mountain position and come in Sasankasana. Very good. Now just come in butterfly. Shake your thighs. Very good. Just come forward. Yes. Relax. Very good. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoy this exercise, all exercise. Now see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.